Wavies, welcome back. So this is a different filming space, right? I'm in my living room, y'all. I just could not find good lighting today. It's raining all over the place, but bear with me for this video. I am teaming up with Yoowigs, so that's Y-O-O wigs, to pretty much show you how I layer up my wigs and just kind of install them, things like that, or more so style, because I already have it installed, right? So the wig, of course, straight out of the box, it does come with bleached knots. I did not pluck, tweeze, nothing to this wig outside of adding baby hair, which only required me just to part out a little bit of hair in the front and then literally just swoop it towards the sides and back. I did kind of go overboard, so don't come for me in these comments, okay? Anyway, so I'm just going through with the hair with just a straightening comb just to kind of flatten out the tops of the hair, and then I'll be going through with a FHI 2-inch flat iron just to make sure that all the hair is pretty smooth. I did a rough straightening of the hair. I did not do anything extensive because I did want it to have a lot of texture, so that's kind of where we are with that. And yeah, I mean, the wig definitely is really full. It did come in like a nice natural like loose wave, so it naturally has texture to it. Had I taken my time with like straightening the hair, it definitely would have been a little bit more sleek, but again, I was not going for that. I wanted it to look really textured. For whatever reason, I'm going through this like blown out type of look. Like, I don't know, that's what I've been obsessed with. I don't want super silky hair or anything like that. I think it may be because of like this kinky straight that I had. I'm obsessed with it, so that's kind of where I am. But anyway, like I said, I kind of went overboard with the baby hair, so disregard. But the wig definitely is one of those units that you can take out of the box and go. I'm saying that because the knots came bleached. Like, it was already lightly pre-plucked, which I appreciated. I did not have to put like a cap up under it or anything like that. I literally put the wig on. I believe I had like 2 braids going straight to the back, and that was it. So literally that's it. You can see how full the wig is, full density. All of the details will be listed down in the description box as usual. So let's get into kind of framing the face a little bit. So I'm starting from the, I guess, bottom of my chin, just kind of parting the hair out in a diagonal motion. I'm starting with the top layer first, and then I'm just gonna take some shears, of course, some hair cutting scissors, to go ahead and just literally trim the hair back. I'm not going in a straight across motion. I'm literally going downward. But if you're a more visual learner, which I'm hoping you are, just watching kind of the technique here, you should be able to grasp it. There's really no wrong move here when it comes to kind of adding the layers, especially if you're going to curl it. Curling definitely hides bad layers, I will say that. But if you need a little bit more practice, I know the lighting here is bad. I definitely have another video to show you how to layer your hair. I believe it's from probably about 1.5 years ago, so I apologize for that, but I will be doing another video. I didn't realize the lighting was this bad until it's time to like edit the video. I'm like, okay, yeah, it was nice for like a, I don't know, sit down talk video, but maybe not for a hair tutorial. So this was a fail, but nevertheless, I hope you guys see what I'm doing here. Like I said, I'm just going from the top layer to the bottom layer and literally just framing my face. So going in a diagonal motion, starting from the, I guess the highest point is going to be closest to my face, and then of course just kind of drag that out as we go. As you start to kind of bump the hair, or at least curl it, you will be able to kind of see the layers a little bit more and determine if you want them to be shorter or not. Obviously you can't go back long, right? So yeah, disregard that, but you definitely can go a little bit shorter if you want to. So I recommend starting long and then going short. So that's never, you know, a bad idea. Now for makeup today, I decided to do like this little pink look, y'all. I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, it's cool. It's okay. So yeah, disregard. I don't know. This lighting is really kind of just all over the place. But anyway, yeah. So the hair is really textured. It feels really soft and smooth. Now I did get a little bit of shedding so far. That could obviously just be because I'm like cutting the hair. So that was one of a side note there. But it is a full glueless lace wig, so it definitely had wig combs around the perimeter, so in the back and then in the front, and it's a 360 unit. So if you want to pull it up into a bun, you definitely can. Obviously I didn't tweeze the back of it or the front like I said before, so if that's something you want to do, you can definitely do that. I do have a video on how to customize a 360 unit. If you need to check that out, definitely do that. But so far so good. It definitely has deep parting. Like I said, it's a full unit, so you can literally part this straight down the back. Like if I wanted to do 2 ponytails, I could get away with that. And yeah, you see that texture? Like, I wish the lighting was a little better. Like, I know that it's like decent, but like you can see, but I just wish it was even better. So I'm kind of having regrets there, but nevertheless, I wanted to make sure I got the content out for you guys. I'm just trying to keep up that consistency for 2019 and things like that. But I'm just going to continue to kind of go through and bump the hair. And as you guys know, I'm always using my FHI flat iron. I mean, there are a lot of like coupon codes. If you guys are interested in buying the flat iron, you can definitely just type them in to Google. Ask literally coupon for FHI flat iron. Like, you'll find a bunch of them if that's something you want. The 2 inches works for me because, like I said, I'm lazy and I'm going through like this little phase of just kind of like that effortless hair. That's what I'm in the mood for, effortless hair. So that's where we are. And as you can see, everything definitely came out fine. I did not actually go through and spray the hair. I didn't want it to be super sleek or anything, so it definitely has that kind of texture, the little frizzy kind of look there, which I appreciate. It's like, and then I had on a silk shirt too, so the pictures I got with this were really, really pretty. It just set a whole vibe. Like, I don't know, it's kind of sultry. So anyway, I'm going through and just kind of creating more layers, I guess I should say, for areas that I felt just weren't quite bumped enough. So that's what I did, just add a little bit of volume, and this is pretty much the final result. So let me know how you guys feel about it. It definitely changes up that really sleek look just to kind of give you a more, I guess, body look, and the curls look amazing once you layer up the hair. So definitely leave any comments or questions down below. Thank you so much, guys, for sending me the video, or the wig, I should say. Wow, sending me the video. Need to get some rest. But anyway, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.